how do you stay fit as a lawyer? Now, I am not a fitness expert. I have literally no knowledge of nutrition or workouts and so on. Uh, so I'm just a practicing lawyer. My name is Ramana Reddy. I practice in the court in Hyderabad. So and I've struggled with this question, over many years. Like I'm sure, like many lawyers watching. And there's one lesson that I think that has served me well, and that's the lesson that I want to share with you today. Now, what I've noticed in my fitness journey, I wouldn't call it a fitness journey, but with the ups and downs, is that there appears to be some magical break that when I start going downhill, I go downhill, 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 and then there's something falls to fall, appears to fall in place, and then I go up again, and then something screws up, and then I go down again, and there is just this perennial cycle of up and down. Now, when I started to analyze, okay, what was happening, so we all rush to court in the morning, or if you are a corporate lawyer, you rush to your firm. If you're an in-house counsel, you rush to your company. There's a lot of stress around just being a lawyer. Uh, to be honest, I barely taste my food when I'm having breakfast or when I'm having lunch because there's just so much happening. My mind is going, I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to be in this court, I have to be in that court. So, it's very, I guess the point I'm trying to make is it's hard to eat junk when you are up and about. I mean, at best, you may have some tea, you may have some samosas, that would be my guess. Uh, if not, you can turn off the video right now. But generally speaking, that's what I've seen from my experience. The real problem starts, at least for me, when I go back home at night. Because I've had a long day, I've done a lot of work, I've been to courts, I've met clients, I've drafted things, I've given instructions to my colleagues. Now, now I feel like I need a reward. I mean, I've been working all day, right? So give me something. Now that is when I begin to binge eat. That's when I bring out for me, I have a very bad sweet tooth, so it's a lot of cakes, pastries. Swiggy does not help. Swiggy or Zomato, whatever your favorite platform is, that does not help. So, and also at night, my willpower is gone. I mean, I've been up since morning, I've been running around. I just don't have the energy to resist the temptations which after coming home, because I just need to relax now. And I think that is also crucial because when I eat these things, it's not like I am looking for the taste, I think. What I think I'm really trying to experience is a state of mind. I'm trying to experience, a sense of relaxation. I'm trying to experience a sense of accomplishment for what I've done. I'm trying to experience a sense of reward basically for all the work that I have put in, during the day. And mostly, and this is also from, based on what I've heard from my lawyer friends, is that mostly the unhealthiest meal of the day is at night. It's at dinner. Because during the day you're up and about, you don't really have time to sit and think about, I'm going to eat this junk, that junk. There may be a day here or there where you go out and eat whatever you want, but that's a rare case in my experience at least. So if you want to get fit, my suggestion to you, with my limited knowledge and experience, would be that instead of trying to add new fitness regimes, new diets, and whatnot, try to cut out on what is not working. And I would say, in most cases, as lawyers, it is going to be that unhealthy meal at night. You need to figure out for yourself what are you doing wrong, for that unhealthy meal. So I'll give you my example. My example is that I have a bad sweet tooth. So even though I may have like regular dinner, as soon as I have dinner, I need to have something sweet. Now, one way that I've combated that is that I tell myself, okay, I just finished eating. I'm going to wait, say 5 to 7 minutes. If I still want to have this, the sweet or the cake or the pastry or whatever, then I'm going to eat it. Mostly what happens on most days is that after the 5th or the 7th minute, I'm not interested. Because my trigger is that as soon as I finish eating, I need to have dessert. But that is my case personally. I cannot, give a one size fits all solution. That is something that you need to consider for yourself. But I would guess, at least my best guess would be that if you are not hitting your fitness goals, one big area to look at would be your dinner, or what you eat after you come back from court, when you have literally no willpower and you're trying to experience a sense of reward. Try to substitute that with something. I don't know what that other something could be for you. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching.